What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're doing well and I hope everything is wonderful in your world. Today I have for you my IPSY Plus, or my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. There you go. And this is going to be my last one, you guys. I am downsizing on the subscription load. I'm just going to keep BoxyCharm. Can you believe it? I'm going to get Allure for 2 more months and then I'm going to stop. Number one, because I have a stockpile of products that I cannot seem to get through because so many more are coming in. Secondly, because in the near future I am going to be buying a vehicle and I need to pay off some stuff and save some money. And 3, because I have enough makeup, enough skincare, enough everything, and I'm going to use it. So, no more subscriptions for a while. I'm not going to say I'll never subscribe again because I know I will. But for now, this is my last IPSY Plus for a while. So, that being said, if you'd like to see what I got in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for July 2019, then please keep watching. Alright guys, for those of you who are not familiar with the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, it is $24.99 and it is monthly, and it's kind of like a deluxe version of the IPSY Glam Bag. And in this you get 4, 5, 6, usually 5 full-size products, and for the most part I've been really happy with my Glam Bag Pluses, my IPSY Glam Bag Pluses. Why can't I get that? Anyways, the theme for this month is Dive In. So I'm going to go in here and talk to you about what we got, what the retail value is, etc. The very first product is by IPSY by Petra. And it is the Glow Mist and it has a value of $15. It says, step up your summer glow with this lightweight mist. It's formulated with 13 natural essential oils like rose, flower, and lavender, aloe vera, and fruit extracts to set your makeup, hydrate, protect, and give your skin a gorgeous dewy finish. And I use this today. Do I have a gorgeous dewy finish? I think I do. Actually, it smells delicious. It has a very nice mist. I'll do it real quick. And it does have a rosy scent, but it's not offensive. I don't particularly like the rose scent, so it's kind of a combination of rose and lavender, like I said, and it smells really nice, and I really do think it gives a nice little glow. It really knocked the powderiness off of my makeup, and I really like this. I've never tried any mist by IPSY, and I've honestly not been a really big IPSY fan of the things that I have tried, but I think I'm going to like this. And I just wanted to remind you guys, if you are interested in getting this subscription, I will have the information down in the info box. I also want to let you know that on the 2nd of each month, if you go to IPSY.com, they will have add-ons that you can add beginning at $3. Some are $6, some are $12, and you can add up to 3 additional products to your IPSY Glam Bag Plus, which is usually a really good deal, and usually they have a lot of really nice products. The next product in here is the Purlisse Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. The box looks like this. The tube looks like this. It has a value of $45. It says former Power Rangers villainess Jennifer Yen channels her passion for time-tested Asian skincare rituals into a result-driven multitasking skincare line safe for sensitive skin. Case in point, this lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that hydrates and preps your skin for makeup application. Green tea helps protect from fine lines and wrinkles, while white tea, vitamin E, and French marine plants soothe skin and help to retain moisture so your skin looks dewy and radiant. This sounds like my cup of tea entirely. I'm not going to open it or smell it because I have a lot of primers open right now that I'm trying to finish, and I don't want to open it until I intend to use it. But I definitely will. It says lightweight, oil-free, and it's a moisturizer and a primer. I like that. Alright, next is the Naked Cosmetics 4-piece pigment set. And this is what the box looks like, and this is what the pigment set looks like. It's a little stack, and what I did, just for the sake of being able to keep it in the stack, is I went through and I took all the little lids off because they screw into one another. So rather than having a bunch of singles, I have all these pigments in one spot. And so I am going to open these and swatch them for you. I can get swatches out of these lids. I love pigments. Pigments are beautiful. They usually give a very nice shimmer, but they're a mess. I don't tend to gravitate towards pigments, but occasionally I will use them, especially if they're super gorgeous. I think what I'm going to do is grab a brush, because I don't know if I can get my big honking fingernail down in to this. So I'm going to use this brush here and see if I can't get a decent swatch out of the lid. I did turn my light down a little bit. I'm going to dip in here. I did turn my light down a little bit so that hopefully you can see the swatches. There's one, and I'll just use my color switch in between and do some editing magic where you don't have to wait for me to unscrew every one of them. All right, here we go with the swatches. We have a nice kind of pewter, taupey lavender color, a nice kind of peachy gold or peachy color, a shimmery brown, and kind of a more traditional gold. They're interesting. I don't know that they're so special that I would take the time to go through all this to use them, but you just never know. Maybe over a primer or over a concealer, like on a cut crease, maybe it would be super pigmented and beautiful and shimmery. It's just something I'll have to give a try to. Alright, Naked Cosmetics 4-piece pigment set. Value is $40. It says Naked Cosmetics products are made without fillers like oils, wax, or talc that can be damaging to your skin. These highly pigmented, finely milled loose pigments blend so easily. Mix and match them to create endless eye looks. So, it says to use a denser brush to apply some over your lid. So like this is supposed to be an entire look, I think. And like I said, you've got a nice lilac, a peach, a brown, and kind of a gold. And so you could get a nice eye look out of this. The brown is the most matte of them all. The rest of them are super shimmery. So I don't know if you are supposed to transition with the darker brown or deepen with the darker brown and use. I guess it's really up to however you want to do it, depending on who you are and what your style is. But still an interesting product, and I'm excited to try it. The next product I have here is Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara in Bryn, valued at $24. It says a single swipe of this volumizing, lengthening mascara will even help make sparse lashes look like extensions. It comes with an innovative comb-shaped wand that adds definition, separates lashes, and prevents clumping, while the formula is infused with orchid stem cell complex to stimulate lash growth and soft fibers for dramatic length and lift. This is what the tube looks like. It's really pretty, and I've actually heard really good things about this brand. Again, I have entirely too many mascaras open, so this is going to go in my mascara drawer for trial later on in life, not in the near future. But I want to show you the little pamphlet so you can see what the wand looks like. It kind of reminds me of the Bad Gal Bang wand. That kind of shape. Always seems like when I hold something up, it takes a minute for it to focus back on me. So am I focused? Can you see me? Can you see these lips? I know you can. I know you can. Last but not least is the product that I was the most excited for. Can you see how cool the packaging is? This is the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette in Bronze Sands. It is valued for $45. It says we're head over heels for anything this beauty influencer turned makeup maven creates. With a mix of 1 creamy and 3 pressed powder pearlescent highlighters, this palette has everything you need to customize your glow. And the cool thing about this palette is it always has her face. Can I just be Huda? Can I be Huda for a minute? Look at me, I'm Huda. Look at me, I'm Huda. Okay, I'll stop. Okay, so it has directions right here. It says, step 1, prep. Apply Barbados as a base to smooth skin and amplify light reflecting pearls. And that's Barbados. Next it says set. Dab Maldives from cheek to temple to set and bring out the pop. This is Maldives. Next it says sculpt, apply Aruba under cheekbones to add dimension and shape. And then it says number 4, flush sweet Bora Bora on apples of your cheeks for a healthy glow, right here. My thing is, folks, this looks way too dark for me. I don't know. I'm going to swatch it for you on my hand and you can see what I'm talking about. But you just never know. For me, see, God, that's the prep. And maybe sheared out with a beauty blender, but I don't think so, you guys. I think this is too dark for me. This is the highlight. It's super golden, and I think it's just going to look like a stripe on my face. I really do. This is the Aruba, the dark, or the deepener, the contour shade. And then Bora Bora is like the bronzer shade. I'm not a very good swatcher with my pinky, that's for sure. So those are the colors. I think if you exclude that, maybe the rest would work. I'm just going to have to try it. The good news is I have many deeper toned beauties in my life that would appreciate this if it doesn't work for me. I really wish I would have gotten Pink Sands, I think was the lightest one. I really wish I would have gotten that because I think that would have suited my skin tone better. If this is going to work for me at all, it's now because I have a little bit of a tan. Don't laugh at me, I do. And I think these lights really drown out my beautiful golden shimmer color bronziness. It's whatever. Okay, let me clean myself up. Then I'm going to tell you the value of this box and we'll get out of here. All right, folks. Out of everything, I'm going to shake this up. Out of everything, these are the 2 products that I am the most excited about. I know I'm going to continue to use this. I really do think it gives a really beautiful glow. And we'll see if it prolongs the life of my makeup or whatever, but I do know that it tamed the powderiness and made everything look really dewy and pretty. I'm going to try this. I have a friend, you know who she is, who will be happy to have this if it doesn't work out for me, but I really do want to try it. I think I will exclude the prep step because I think that will look crazy, but maybe the rest of them will work for me if I shear them out like with a stippling brush or something like that. So I'm going to give it a try, but these are the 2 things that I'm most excited about. Now for the retail value, drum roll. $169. I am feeling pretty happy about a $25 roughly price tag for $169 worth of products, particularly because this Huda product is $45 alone. So I'm happy that I went ahead and got this one last month. All right, guys, did you get the same things I did? Did I get something that you wish you got? Or is there anything that you want me to give you a particular review of? Let me know down in the comment section. I'll probably use this in a makeup discovery video so you can see me trying it because I'm really curious about it and I don't want to be disappointed, but I kind of think I am going to be, but somebody else is going to be super happy about it. So thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate it so much. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys.